The first free alternative to Photoshop is on ZetBit.tech/studio. This is 100% free and it's like a lightweight of Photoshop. So you can actually go and start choosing a template. Let's just make a YouTube thumbnail. And from in here, you have all the options that you almost also have in Photoshop. So you can go and insert images, text, and so on. It is like a lightweight of Photoshop and it runs very smooth. And if you're familiar with Photoshop, you can see here it's actually also layer based. So you can put a rectangle, you can go and put in a text, and then you can go and of course move around on the layers. The second option is of course Photopea. It do have a bit more tools than the ZetBit. However, sometimes I think it will crash if the project gets too big, so you need to actually go and save it to make sure that you don't lose your project. But I will recommend Photopea if you are a little bit more advanced. So like if you don't just have to put images and text in, that you actually have to go and do some image manipulation. So the third option would be GIMP. And it's actually not in the browser. It is an app that you go and download, just like Photoshop if you go and download that. So this has a little bit different setup, but you can go and create a new file and say okay. And then you have like the canvas that you have also in Photopea and in ZetBit. So these are the three alternatives that you can go and use for free right now. So there's ZetBit, it's the lightweight. You have Photopea, which is the more heavyweight, but also with more features. And then you of course have the desktop version if you prefer that.